In this way, it is necessary to enter the number of hours and the number of rings that an image of each planet belongs to a day in this table. Let's go back to the code. For the remaining 7 planets, we need to create 7 more rows of this type in this table. Now from here, the third row can be created. Rather than typing the new code for each row, we can easily copy the code created for the second row and change the required places. I select the code belonging to the second row of the table from the 63rd row to the 69th row in this way. Now let's copy this section and press the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C. Now come back to the 71st line and press Ctrl+V to paste this code. Okay, now let's change the data in this third row. I'm removing the URL here. Copy the URL belonging to Venus in Assets and paste it here in double quotation. Next, in the 75th line, remove 1408 and type 5832. There is no need to change the next data. Now bring the cursor to the end of the TR close tag and press the enter key twice. Let's create the fourth row of this 79th row table. Once again, copy the code from line 71 to 77 and paste the copied code here. I press Ctrl+V again. In the next 81st line, go to Assets as before. Copy the URL belonging to Earth and paste it here. Let's change the number of the hours to 24. Press the Enter key twice and at the end of this TR close tag and move the cursor to the 87th line. As before, copy the code from the 79th row to the 85th row and press Ctrl+V and paste the code for the next row. Now you need to change the URL here. Click Assets again and Mars. Let's select the PNG image and give the copy URL. I am pasting this URL here in double quotation. Also, let's give the number of hours as 25 and absent in the 92nd line. I press the Enter key twice at the end of the TR close tag and move the cursor to the 95th line. Copy the code from the 87th line to the 93rd line and press Ctrl+V here and paste the code. As before, remove this URL and add the URL belonging to Jupiter here. Click Assets again and select jupiter.png image and give copy URL. I'm pasting this URL here in double quotation. The number of hours is also changed to 10. Also, in the 100th row, remove absent and give present. Okay, now bring the cursor to the end of the TR close tag and press the Enter key twice. Let's create the 7th row of this 103rd row table. As before, let's copy the code from the 95th line to the 101st line. I will press Ctrl+V again to paste the copied code here. In the next 105th line, you need to change the URL belonging to the image of the planet. Let's remove this URL here. Click Assets again and select Saturn.png image and give copy URL. I am pasting this URL here in double quotation. Let's change the number of hours to 11. Here it is given as present. Again, at the end of this TR close tag, press the Enter key twice and take the cursor to the 5111th line. As before, copy the code from the 103rd line to the 100th line. Now press the Ctrl+V and paste the code for the next row. Let's change the URL for the image of the planet in the 113th row. I press the backspace key and remove this URL. Again, click Assets and select Uranus.png image and give copy URL. I am pasting this URL here in double quotation. And let's change the number of hours to 17. No need to change the next line. I press the Enter key twice at the end of the TR close tag and move the cursor to the 119th line. Again, we copy the code from the 111th line to the 117th line. Press Ctrl+V here and paste the code. As before, you need to change the URL here. I will remove this URL. Click Assets again and select Neptune.png image and give copy URL. I'm pasting this URL here in double quotation. The number of hours is also changed to 16. Okay, now we have created 8 more rows along with the heading row of the table. The table close tag was added when the table tag was opened, has been added here after this last TR close tag. Since we have finished creating the web page, now we can close the body tag as well as the HTML tag. Next, we go back to the preview pane and refresh like this. If there is an output like this, you little ones are very successful. See the creation you made, WhatsApp it to the number 076 812 5244. Tell your friends about the creation you made. Send it to me and also send it to your friends to see as well and to see the app. And one more thing, you too join the DP Coding School Telegram group and try to be the DP Code Champ Best of the Week once every week. For that, keep in touch with us. And one more thing, join our DP Coding Club and now you can start a DP Coding Club in your school and we are ready to give all the guidance and support for that. If you want to start a DP Coding Clubs in any school where computer labs are available, make a request through the principal to the email address info@dpcc.lk. So let's meet with another interesting lesson with the DP Coding School. Good day.